Hello everyone, today I will introduce for you the new Mascura GPS. It is the M1. This device is 500 gram and battery can last up to 18 working hours. It supports all constellations, all frequencies L1, L2 and L5. It can be used for normal measurements or tilt measurement. Also, it can be used as base and rover. It supports data link of NTRIP, radio and PPP.
Define coordinate system.
Start X survey. We want to define coordinate system. Stop. Project. Coordinate system. We want to select here. Then template. Here we want to include country China, and here we have WGS 84. Apply. We can edit here the parameters. Okay, and here we can add the geoid file. EGM96. It will be okay, and there's done. Okay.
Define codes. Hello everyone. We want to define codes using X Survey application. Select X Survey. Select Stop. Select Code Library Manager. Select Options. We can here select the common codes. Or we can correct your only library. That's new. Then add. Then you can correct different codes, like buildings. Enter the asphalt. The code as we can group name, layer name. Symbol. And we can select like this. Okay, it will be here. And we can edit it and add. Like cross. Okay. Okay. Then type C and OK. It's here. Okay. And you can add or remove codes anytime. Okay. Tools will be loaded. Codes will be loaded automatically when open new project. Roads. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. Connect X Survey with GPS.
Hello everyone. Connect X Survey with GPS using X Survey application. Select X Survey. From device, select communication. Select device type GNSS. Select device Rover ICE GPS. Model type RTK New. Connection type, Bluetooth BLE. Make sure it is connected. And start receiver messages from GPS. Connect. Communication. Debug. That's okay.
Set up Rover Phone Internet. Hello everyone! Today we will set up Rover using phone internet. Select X Survey. Connect to GPS. Stop device. Select communication. Check the connection type, Bluetooth BLE. Then press Connect. From device, select Rover. Select Data Link. Select Internet. Click Connecting Mode, NTRIP. Select and select Add. Then add following information: IP, port, username and password. Then select it OK. Then save.
Input name.
OK. Now go to Mount Point and Mount Point Settings. Get Mount Point. It will be successfully. Then we go to Mount Point and select the Mount Point. OK. And when you select Start, it will be OK. Apply.
Set up Rover internal radio.
Hello everyone! Today we will set up Rover using internal radio. Select X Survey. Wait a moment. Click Stop. Then select Device. Select Communication. Then click Connect. Wait a moment. From Device, select Rover. Select Data Link. Stop, then again press Select Data Link. Press Internal Radio. Select the channel. Select the protocol. Press the baud rate. Press 9600. Then OK. Click Apply. And Rover is set up using internal radio. Set up Rover PPP.
Hello everyone! Today we will set up Rover using PPP. Select X Survey. Stop. Select Device, Communication,
Then connect.
from Device, select Rover. Select Data Link, PPP.
Data types you can use. Use BDS in China and Galileo in other countries.
Apply. You should wait up to 15 minutes to get fixed oxygen. Paste on your area.
Base setup, device internet.
Hello everyone. Today we will set up base using internet. Select X survey. Wait a moment. Select device. Select base. Data link.
Select device internet.
Select here. Connecting mode, NTRIP. And we can select core setting. Then click Add. Input the name. The IP. cores.icegps.com. Select the port, the username, the password. Okay. And here we can delete and edit and share. And we can apply. Wi-Fi. Okay. Then apply. Okay. Wait a moment. And there is done.
Base setup, internal radio.
Hello everyone. Today we will set up base using internal radio. Press device, then select communication. Press connect. Wait a moment. Select base. Base startup mode. Assign base coordinate. Select benchmark. Then OK. Click data link, then select internal radio. Click channel. Then click Channel and select Channel 1. Press OK. Select Apply. And now the base is OK.
Static measurement.
Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to static measurements mode. Starting X survey. Select device. Connect to GPS communication. Connect. From device, select static. And here, point name. Input the name. The PDOP. Keep it 3. The cutoff angle. Keep it 5. The interval, keep it 60 seconds. And here the time unlimited. Then we measure the antenna height. .8.
Then apply OK. And then the antenna type. Select type. Then apply OK.